How to get glowing skin, spotless and fair skin with lemon, works 100%. Do you have dull and dark skin? This skin problem is of serious concern and it keeps women as well as men stressed. All of you want to have fair skin full of glow. But, multiple factors take off all of the beauty of your skin. The rays of the sun, chemicals and poor skin care cause damage to your skin. What to use to get enhanced beauty? In the video below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make an amazing formula to whiten your skin and to get fair, glowing and spotless skin naturally. This remedy is tested and it gives guaranteed results. How to use lemon to whiten dark skin. Ingredients: sugar, 2 tbsp. Lemon, half. Honey, 1 tbsp. Procedure: take 2 tbsp of sugar. After this, add half lemon juice to it. Next, add 1 tbsp of honey. Now, mix the ingredients well and make a mixture. Next, you will get the best formula to get fair, glowing and spotless skin ready for use. How to use: scrub your skin with this mixture in a circulation motion for the removal of dead cells of the skin. Leave it for 5 minutes, and then wash it off with cold water. Use this remedy only once in a week to get fair and bright skin. It makes your skin shiny instantly. This homemade formula to get fair, glowing and spotless skin is made with all natural ingredients. The use of it makes your skin fair and clear by removing the dead layer of your skin. Also, it is 100% safe and suits the skin of all types. So, make and use this remedy and get beautiful skin.